You feel stressed and overwhelmed when it comes to managing your finances. You are not alone. Many people struggle with budgeting and financial planning. But don't worry, we are here to help. In this video, we will cover the basic of budgeting and financial planning, as well as some more advanced topics. Budgeting is a foundation financial planning. It's the process of creating a plan to manage your money so you can achieve your financial goal. Here are the basic steps for creating a budget. Determine your income. Make a list of your all source of income, including your salary, freelance work, and investment. Track your expenses. Keep track of all your expenses, including rent, mortgage, utilities, food, transportation, entertainment, etc. Categorize your expenses. Categorize your expenses into fixed expenses such as rent, mortgage, and utility, and variable expenses such as food and entertainment. Set financial goals. Set financial goals that are specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time bound. Like SMART. Example of financial goals including saving for down payment on home, paying off debt, or building an emergency fund. Create a budget. Use the information you are gathered to create a budget. Allocate your income to your fixed expenses first, then your variable expenses, and finally your financial goals. Track all process. Keep track of all expenses and income throughout the month to make sure you are stick to your budget. Financial planning is a process of setting goals for your financial future and creating a plan to achieve them. Here are some tips for financial planning. Start early. The earlier you start planning for your financial future, the more time you have to achieve your goals. Define your goals. Identify your short term, medium term, and long term financial goals. Create a plan. Create a plan that includes saving and investment strategies to help you achieve your goals. Evaluate your process. Evaluate your process regularly to make sure you are on track to achieve your goals. Adjust your plan as needed. If you are circumstanced change your such as job loss, unexpected expense, adjust your plan accordingly. Know that we have covered the basic of budgeting and financial planning. Let's move on the some of more advanced topics such as investment strategies. Investment is a key component of financial planning. It is a way of to grow your money over time. There are many investment strategies including stocks, bonds, mutual funds, and real estate. It's important to do your research and choose investment that align your financial goal and risk tolerance. Understand credit score. Your credit score is measure your credit worthless. It's used by lender to determine whether you lend your money and what interest rate to charge. It's important to understand how to credit score is calculated and how to improve it. Retirement planning. Retirement planning is a process of saving and investing for your retirement year. It's important to start for retirement as early as possible so you can take advantage of compounding interest There are many retirement options including 401k, IRKs, and pension. Budgeting and financial planning may seem dating at first, but with the right tools and knowledge, anyone can take control of their finances. Remember to the smart goals, create a budget, track your expenses, and regularly evaluate your process. And when you are ready to tackle more advanced topics like investing, credit score, and retirement planning, be sure to do your research. For watching. We hope this video has been helpful in getting you start your journey to financial trading. Remember, taking control of your finances is a journey, not destination. Keep learning, keep planning, and keep striving toward your financial goal.